Howdy y'all, TheJTJ here with Introduction to Computer Technology, Part 2. Megahertz, a unit of data measurement, equal to 1000 kilohertz. 1000 megahertz equals 1 gigahertz. Megapixel, equal to 1 million pixels. Used to describe the resolution of digital cameras. An example, 8.5 megapixels equals 8,500,000 pixels. The higher the number when you're buying a camera, the better the resolution is going to be, or the larger the image will be. Network, 2 or more computers connected together. The purpose of a network is for the sharing of files and information. Anytime you have 2 computers plugged together, that can be a network. The largest network is the internet. Pixel, short for picture element. Small dots that make up the picture on a computer's display. Each pixel displays one color at a time. So when you look at the TV, or you're looking at your phone, or you're looking at a monitor, it's using pixels to put the colors on the screen. QWERTY, used to describe standard Latin alphabet keyboard. Created to slow down typing speeds so typewriters would not jam. More efficient keyboard layout exists. So this layout for your keyboard was originally invented in the 1800s to slow down the typewriter, because the mechanical nature of the typewriter a lot of times would jam if you type too fast on it. So this style was invented to sort of slow down the typing. We still use it today, but there are more efficient keyboard layouts. Keep in mind too that not every country uses this key. Spain is one of note, a Latin country of note that does not use this keyboard layout. Read only, a file or storage device on which the data can only be viewed and not modified. If you're trying to save something to a read-only folder, or trying to save a read-only file, it won't allow you to do that. Sometimes folders or files are locked by the creator because they just want them to be viewed and not changed. Rendering, the process of generating a final digital product, used in 3D graphics and video production. Resolution, describes how much detail a monitor or printer can output. Monitors are measured in resolution. Example, 800 by 600, 768 by 1280. Printers use DPI. RGB, red, green, blue. Computer monitors and TVs use RGB color to create the images on the screen. At full intensity, the color will be white, and at 0, it will be black. Keep in mind that these are your pixels we're talking about here. They can only change from red, green to blue. Telecommunications, telecom for short, is the process of transmitting signal over long distances. Example, telegraph, telephone, radio, and internet. If you're using the internet, you're using a telecommunications device, just like your cell phone. Troubleshooting, the process of diagnosing a problem. If you're trying to fix a computer issue, you will be troubleshooting the problem. So, if you sit down at your computer, and for some reason your mouse isn't working, the first thing you might want to do is double check all the buttons, turn it over to see if the laser light is on, and if it's still not working, follow the cord to the USB plug and make sure it's plugged in properly. That is sort of like troubleshooting the issue. User interface, also called a UI, how a user controls an application on a digital device. Your phone home screen is a user interface that lets you control the phone. Wi-Fi is a wireless networking technology. The name is not an acronym for anything. It's just a name the Wi-Fi Alliance chose to use. There's a bit of misconception throughout the web that Wi-Fi is short for wireless fidelity, when in fact it's short for nothing. It was a standalone word called Wi-Fi.